This is the North Esk River, running between the suburbs of Ravenswood and Newstead in the city of Launceston, northern Tasmania, Australia. These tidal wetlands are a part of the Kanamaluka-Tamar estuary, where freshwater meets saltwater. After Launceston was founded, much of this area was infilled, but we now understand the benefits of wetlands, like improved water quality, habitat for biodiversity, and how they can help cool urban areas. That's why Tamar Estuary Management Task Force members are working together on a trial project to restore wetlands on this small area of Crown land. We're aiming to find scientific evidence for the effect restoration can have on the environment and reducing sediment. This project follows years of work and investment to improve water quality in the estuary with great results. The trial wetlands restoration of the North Esk River will run until 2028. The work involves removing earth and vegetation and planting native species, followed by ongoing environmental monitoring. This project is funded by the Australian Government's Urban Rivers and Catchments Program with the support of the Tasmanian Government.